What's up, everybody? I got a double box break, personal box break for yogibooboo 2012. Do a little timestamp here. It's 3:50, Tuesday, February 7th. So yeah, he just purchased two boxes and he's gonna pay a little later, but I'm gonna break it for him anyways. Paid on eBay, so if he doesn't pay, then it'll go into a claim or something. Empty. Empty. So here we go. First pack. Peyton Manning, Terrence Ganaway, refractor. So it'll be sent to you. And a nice X-Fractor of Brandon Marshall. Base. Base. Another refractor of Marvin McNutt. There's a hit there, so I'll show you this base. Black border. Another Eagle, Michael Kendricks. Number to 299. Nice hit there. Next pack. Base. Base. X-Fractor of Quentin Copels. Show you that a bit there. And base. Next pack. We got base, Reggie Wayne, refractor of Mike Williams, and an X-Fractor of Alshon Jeffrey. And base. A lot of refractors in this box. So we have base here. Base. Refractor of Brandon Taylor. And base. Base. Refractor Chris Givens, X-Fractor Derek Wolf, and Jermichael Finley. Base. Base. X-Fractor Chris Rainey. Base. Then we got base, refractor Carson Palmer, and X-Fractor of Mark Sanchez. And base. Then we got a base, John Baldwin X-Fractor, base. base. Oh. X-Factor Reggie Wayne. Darren McFadden base. And your second hit is Camo Michael Brockers. It's a nice hit there out of 499. 494, 499. Next pack. Got a base, Michael Agnew, rookie, Michael Vick, and Jay Cutler base. Base, Harrison Smith, X Factor, and base. Last 4 packs. Base, X Factor of Mark Barron, and base. Base. Is this a refractor? Yeah, refractor of Jake Bickwitt. Last 2 packs. Got a base, Kendall Wright, Colby Fleener, Phillip Rivers, and Doug Baldwin. And the last pack. Base, Harrison Smith, Quentin Copos, refractor of Randy Moss, nice card there, and Marcus Ware. Thanks for watching. I'll make a bonus video thing when you pay. For now, I got these cards for you, 4 autos, Bengals and Browns that you like. So thanks for watching, and thanks for buying. Take care. Peace.